Imagine starting an online store today without buying a single product, without renting a warehouse, and without ever packing a box. That is the power of dropshipping. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own store from scratch. What dropshipping is. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products without keeping them in stock. Here's how it works. A customer places an order on your website. Their order goes directly to your supplier, and then the supplier ships the products straight to your customer. You're the store owner and the brand, but you don't deal with inventory or shipping. Step number 1, pick a niche and products. The first step is deciding what to sell. Instead of trying to sell everything, pick a niche that makes your store feel focused and trustworthy. It could be fitness gear, eco-friendly items, pet accessories, or home decor. To find ideas, use tools like Google Trends or check trending items on TikTok and Amazon. Look for products that solve real problems, are lightweight so they're easier to ship, and have steady demand. Building around a theme will make your store look like a real brand, not a random collection of products. Step number 2, build your store with Wix. Now that you have your niche, you need a home for your products, your online store. Wix makes this process simple because you don't need to code. You can start with one of over 120 professional templates or let the AI website builder create a base for you. From there, you can drag and drop elements like images, text, and buttons to shape your site exactly how you want it. This is also the stage where branding comes in. Pick a name for your store that's easy to remember and connects to your niche. Create a simple logo. Wix even has a logo maker you can use if you don't have design skills. Choose a color palette and fonts that match your brand personality and use them consistently across your pages. These small details matter because when people land on your site, they quickly decide if it feels trustworthy. A clear name, a clean logo, and a consistent look make a huge difference in building trust with shoppers. Step number 3, connect to suppliers on Wix. Once your store looks polished, it's time to add products. Inside Wix, you can connect directly to Modalyst, a dropshipping marketplace that gives you access to millions of products. Many of these suppliers are based in US and Europe, which means faster shipping times and better customer experience. All you have to do is install the Modalyst app from the Wix app market, create an account, and start browsing. When you find products you like, you can import them straight into your store and set your own pricing rules. Step number 4, set up payments and store policies. Before going live, you need to make sure people can pay you and trust your store. Wix lets you accept payments through credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and more, all managed from your dashboard. It's also important to add clear store policies. Write a shipping policy that explains how long orders usually take and a return policy that explains what customers should do if there's a problem. Adding a simple frequently asked questions page is also a good idea because it answers common questions upfront and shows customers you're reliable. Step number 5, test and launch. Don't hit publish right away. First, test everything by ordering a sample product yourself. This helps you check the quality, shipping speed, and overall experience before real customers try it. If everything looks good, it's time to publish your store. At that point, congratulations, you officially have a live dropshipping website. Step number 6, market your store. Building your store is only half the journey. To make sales, you need customers. Start with free methods by posting videos on TikTok and Instagram, creating pins on Pinterest, or writing simple blog posts that can bring in traffic from search engines. You can also collect emails on your site and send updates or promotions to keep people engaged. When you're ready to scale, Wix has built-in tools that let you run ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Google directly from your dashboard, so you don't need to juggle multiple platforms. Step number 7, manage and grow. After launch, your job is to keep improving. The Wix dashboard makes it easy to track orders, check what products are selling best, and manage everything from one place. You can also expand by listing your products on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay while keeping your inventory synced. Over time, you might upgrade your branding with custom packaging or test new niches and seasonal products. Dropshipping is all about experimenting, learning, and making small changes that add up. All right, that's it. That's how you build a dropshipping store. It's a simple way to get started in e-commerce without heavy upfront costs. If you're ready to try it yourself, check out the link in the description and start building your store with Wix today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.